How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I am out at the hangar and I'm starting on my wiring cleanup. What I'm starting with is my battery cable, and I know it's got a protective sheath on it that's pretty thick, but I'm going to put that the plastic wrap around it, which is kind of what I'm doing now, trying to get that cover on, and then it'll be that much more protected. So yeah, and then little by little I'm going to go through all this other spaghetti and try to condense everything. Okay, I got that all done. So this one here goes underneath the motor and then attaches to the starter solenoid. And what I'm going to do now is let me see if I can unzoom you so you can see a better, wider angle. But what I want to do is I want to start cutting all these little wire ties that I got everywhere. But yeah, right now I'm trying to loosen up all this spaghetti. And then there's connections like this that are they're like crimp connections. They're quick splices, but I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to reveal the wire and use solder to solder all the connections. One of the subscribers made a comment about that the other day, that I should solder everything, and I tend to agree because there's so much vibration on these things. I actually found my strobe light. I think it's my strobe, yeah. My strobe light, I have a connector on the end of the wire, and it's the ground. It's not super critical, but it was loose. So, yeah, we don't want loose wires. So it's a good thing I'm going to start going back through all these wires and one by one make sure everything's nice, neat, and tight. So I'll cut that off for now, and I'll be back. So I put, the protective sheath, and I wrapped pretty much everything. And yeah, just to keep things from chafing, and then I did I bundled up all my wires and made them all as neat as I could. I was going to go through them one at a time, but everything's working, and I did not want to go through all that headache. So what I figured I'd do is I just try to protect everything from damage or being chafed. So that's what I did, is I put things to protect them, and then just wrapped them up real nice and neat and real tight. And yeah, so strobe, and then the master. You can see the voltmeter, 13.1, and that lithium battery. So yeah, what I just wanted to do is try to get this all buttoned up so that I could start putting my wings back on. So I'm pretty sure that I am ready to start putting the wings back on the root tube. Get my struts up, and then get the tail feathers back on this thing and get this thing put back together. And get that where it's supposed to be, on the plane. And I don't know if you can see my tail feathers through this, but yeah, get those back on too. So yeah, so that's what I've done today. And a little bit accomplished. So I'll let you go for now, and don't forget to please like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget that I'm going to have the drawing for this thing pretty soon. And anybody that wants to get in on it, when I'm ready to have the drawing, I'll let you guys know, and then you guys can go to the video that I let you know. And just put hat in the comment section if you want to be part of the drawing. But until then, we'll talk to you soon. You guys all take care. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.